arrive in style with this Jeep 2016 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 23S, Sunroof soft top, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 130, air conditioning and front 1 touchdown power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.